need. Raddie's got a tale for you and me. Jump with joy from A to Z with animal friends and ABCs.
Yelling Yeti and Yawning Yak. One yellow morning, Raddie was reading his Y book.
Y is for you, yellow, young, and yogurt.
Just then, he heard someone calling him.
Oh, I have visitors!
Raddie jumped off his chair and ran outside. It was Yeti and Yak from the Himalayas.
Yo, buddy, how are you?
Yeti waved.
Great. How was your trip? Was it fun?
Raddie asked.
Yep.
Yeti grinned.
How about you, Yak? Did you enjoy it?
Yak yawned and said,
Yeah.
Yeti rolled his eyes.
See, that's all he says, just yeah, and yawns all day in the yard.
Yak stretched and yawned again.
Yeah.
Raddie smiled and made a yellow yolk tart for his friends.
Yo, good. But now, let me make you something really yummy.
Yeti said excitedly. Yeti mixed some yellow yogurt with mango. Raddie took a bite.
Yippee! Your yellow yogurt is yummy!
But Yak just sat there, silent. Yeti frowned.
Yak, do you think my yellow yogurt is yucky?
Yak blinked and said,
Yeah.
Yeti yelled,
Your yeah always annoys me. I am so angry. Go yawn in the yard as much as you want.
Yak stood up, yawned again, and walked outside.
Don't yell at him.
Raddie said.
Yak is such a yielding friend.
Yeti crossed his arms.
He is not yielding. He is just making fun of me.
Raddie followed Yak to the yard.
Are you mad at Yeti?
Yak sighed.
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Raddie said. Yak yawned again and said,
Yesterday I made him a special yak yogurt with yak milk. But Yeti said,
Yuck! Yak yogurt is totally yucky.
I was so angry.
Oh, that's too bad.
Raddie said. Yak continued.
And yesterday, when I sang a yodel, he yanked my leg and yelled at me to stop. He said,
Your yodel is as yucky as yak yogurt.
How could he say that? He thinks I'm just a young and silly yak, and he acts like he's old and wise. So I decided not to talk to him, except saying, yeah.
Raddie was surprised.
He was mean to you, but why don't you forgive each other and be friends again?
Yak stretched and sighed.
Yeah.
That evening, after dinner, Raddie took Yeti and Yak for a walk along the yellow beach. Suddenly, Yeti spotted a yacht floating nearby.
Yo, look at that yacht. Amazing.
Excited, Yeti jumped onto the yacht.
Yahoo! Yippee!
He stomped and danced on the deck. Suddenly, a young couple came out and screamed.
Monster! Call 911! A monster!
Within moments, the yacht was surrounded by people yelling,
Monster! Get the monster!
Very dangerous monster! Call the police!
Yak quickly stepped forward and yelped.
He is not a monster. He is Yeti.
People gasped.
What? Yeti?
Yak nodded.
Yeah. He is Yeti from the Himalayas, not a monster.
One person asked.
Then who are you?
Yak grinned.
I'm Yak, his friend.
People murmured in amazement.
Wow, I've never seen such a great yak before.
Another said,
Yo, are you really a yak? I thought you were an ox.
Yak smiled and nodded.
I'm Yak, Yeti's friend. I'm sorry for the fuss that my friend made. Let me make up for his mistake with my yodel song. Is it a good idea?
All the people cheered.
Yeah!
Yak took a deep breath and began to sing. His yodel echoed over the waves, filling the air with a joyful tune. The crowd yelped in excitement and clapped along. Even Yeti couldn't help but smile and dance to the rhythm. Later at home, Raddie asked Yak.
Why did you help Yeti?
Yak thought for a moment.
When people yelled at Yeti, I got mad. We are from the same place. We both have thick fur. We are both big and strong. When we are alone, he annoys me. But when I saw others being mean to him, I felt sad. It felt like they were yelling at me too.
Yeti sniffled.
Yak, I'm really sorry for yelling at you. I was so mean to you. I won't do that again. Will you forgive me?
Yak thought for a moment. Then he yawned and said,
Yeah.
That night, Raddie wrote in his journal,
Even when friends argue, they still care for each other. That is real friendship.